Let me give you a pro tip for you year 13s doing A-level maths and doing your final exams next summer 2025. Now obviously if you go online you have access to all of the past papers from 2018 to 2023, and you've also got the sample papers as well that you can find online. Now obviously before you sit your final exams, right, you need to have done every single past paper that's available online, okay? The more practice you get, the more exam practice you get, the better you're going to do, right? It's like any skill set. If you're trying to get good at something, you have to practice that, right? If you want to get good at maths exams, you've got to practice maths exams. But this is my pro tip. So before you even worry about those second year A-level papers, those 4 proper A-level papers that you do at the end of the 2 years, before you even look at those, I recommend this. Get one of the AS year 1 papers, which you can get those online too. Get an AS paper, do that first and see how much you know. Time yourself, they're 90 minutes, see what you can do. Reason 1 for that, obviously you need to test whether you have retained the first year material. So don't even do any revision notes and revision cards, do one of the AS papers and see what your brain has retained. And if you're struggling with the first year material, it means you've got work to do, right? Now reason 2, and this is actually a very, very important one, there are actually some pretty tough questions in those AS papers, surprisingly. There are tough questions on those papers that could easily come up in a proper A-level exam. Do not think to yourself, oh, first year AS papers, they're too easy for me. I'm year 2 now, I'm too good for first year. No, there are some tough questions in those papers. Do not neglect them. So my tip for you, before May, you need to have done every single AS paper that you can get online, and you need to have done every single A-level paper that you can get online, and then you're going to feel very, very, very prepared. And honestly, time yourself. See how much you can do in a 2-hour paper, or for the AS papers it's 90 minutes. See what you can do in time conditions. Your exams are timed, yeah? Your mock exams are timed, so time yourself because that's going to prepare you best. Now, if your exam board is Edexcel and you feel that those AS papers are not enough and the A-level papers available online are not enough and you need more, I actually do have access to 8 mock Edexcel past papers that you won't find online. But unfortunately, to get those, you have to join my coaching program. Sorry. But still, regardless, there are a lot of practice papers online that you can have access to, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue for you guys.